Hey signers! Today we're learning how to sign opposites in ASL, a fun and easy way to build your vocabulary fast. We'll cover pairs like hello and goodbye, right and left, can and can't, and more. These are signs you'll use in everyday conversations, so they're great to know no matter where you are in your ASL journey. You'll even see how many of these signs with opposite meanings otherwise have a lot in common. You understand what I'm saying? No? You don't understand? All right, let's learn how to sign opposites. In some of these signs, you're going to notice affirmations and negations showing the difference between the opposites. For example, the sign understand. If you do it with a head nod, you do understand. But if you do it with a negation, you don't understand. Many of these signs have non-manual signals. The facial expression, the body language. Make sure that you are doing those when practicing these opposite signs. Large, large. You have these bent L-shaped hands and bringing them out. And when you sign something large, you can also say cha, meaning it's really big. Large, small, small. And when you do this sign, you can do the mouth morpheme for small, small. Cheap or inexpensive. Your dominant hand is brushing down, like lowering the cost. Cheap or inexpensive. Expensive. Expensive. This is the money and it's a lot. Expensive. Clean or nice. This is like you finished cleaning and now it is nice and clean. Clean or nice. Dirty. Dirty. Your fingers are wiggling under your chin. Dirty. Early. Early. Your non-dominant hand is a fist or a flat hand going over the horizon. Think of the sun early in the morning. Early, early. Late, late. Your dominant hand is pushing back into the past. Late. Yes, yes. It's an S hand going up and down like a head going, yes, yes. No, no. Think of the letter N and O together. No. Far or a distance away. Your dominant hand is moving a long direction away from you. Far or a distance away. Near or close to. Your dominant hand is moving in close to your non-dominant hand. Near or close to. Fast, as in quick. Think of shotguns going off. Fast. Slow, slow. Your dominant hand is moving slowly up your non-dominant arm. And if you want to show somebody that you want them to sign really slowly, you slow it way down. Slow. Fat or overweight. You have these bent-shaped hands representing the size, and then with it, your face will puff out. Fat or overweight. Thin. Thin. You have a G-shaped hand coming down with the face of thin. Thin. Full, complete, or whole. Think of your non-dominant hand as a cup, and the dominant is showing how full the cup is. Full, complete, or whole. Empty. Empty. Your non-dominant hand is flat with your dominant middle finger brushing out. Empty. Good. Good. Your dominant hand is coming from your chin down to your non-dominant hand. Good. Bad or bad. Your hand is going in the opposite direction of good. Bad, bad. Can or ability. You have S-shaped hands coming down. Can, ability. Can't, cannot. Your dominant index finger is coming down on your non-dominant. Can't, cannot. Happy or happy with one hand. You have two hands coming up or one hand. Happy, happy. Sad, sad. Your hands are pulling down the sadness. Sad. Heavy, heavy. Your hands are showing whatever you're holding and the weight of it. Heavy. Light, as in lightweight or a color that is light. Notice it is a light movement. Light. Warm, warmth. I like to think the air blowing out of your mouth. Warm, warmth. Cool, as in the temperature. You're waving cool air. Cool. Hot, hot. When you eat something that's too hot, you want to spit it out. Hot. Cold, cold. And when you do this, you can show the look of being cold. Cold. Many, many. You have fists that open up into, it's a lot. It's many. Few, few. Your hand starts off in an A position and then fans out for few things. New, new. Your dominant hand scoops in to your non-dominant. New. Old, old. You have a C-shaped hand coming down to an S from your chin. Think of a beard. If you want to show somebody's really old, with some expression. Old. Like, like. Your middle finger and thumb are pulling together from your chest. Like. Don't like, dislike. Your middle finger and your thumb are here at your chest and then flick it out. Don't like, dislike. To open a door. Open a door. This is your door and it's opening up. Open a door. Shut the door. Shut the door. Your dominant hand is pushing in like you're shutting a door, and it can also be forced, slamming the door. Shut the door. Right, right, as in the direction right. It's an R-shaped hand moving right, right. Left, left. It's the letter L moving in the left direction, left. Know, familiar, or aware. You're tapping your brain like where the knowledge is, and you might even see it down here for know as in a more casual form. Know, familiar, or aware. Don't know, not aware of, or not familiar with. This is the sign no, and it flicks out for don't know. Don't know. Single, as in unmarried single. It's the number 1 going on either side of your mouth. Single. Married. Married. You're holding hands when you're married. Married. Soft. Soft. Think of squishing soft pillows. Soft. Hard or difficult. Both hands are bent V's with the dominant coming down. Hard or difficult. Strong or strength. You're showing off your muscles. Strong or strength. Weak. Weak. Think of your dominant hand as legs that are tired and too weak to stand on. Weak. Excited. Excited. You're using your feeler fingers in towards yourself and rotating them up. Think of a puppy dog that's excited. Excited. Bored. Bored. You're so bored that you're picking your nose. Bored. Tall or tall. This is showing the height or your index finger stretching up. If somebody is really tall, then you would look up with the sign tall. Tall, tall. Short, as referencing to the height of a person. Your dominant hand is showing where the height is. Short. Wet or humid. Your hands are feeling the stickiness in the air. Wet, humid. Dry. Dry. Your index finger pulls across into an X. Dry. Understand. Understand. Your index finger is flicking up like a light bulb coming on. Understand. Don't understand. Don't understand. This is the sign understand, but you do it back and forth with a confused face showing you don't understand. Don't understand. Hello. Hello. It's kind of like a salute. Hello. Bye or bye. Fingers up and down or waving. Bye. Bye. Great job. Learning opposites is a great way to double your vocabulary. If you want to keep on learning, be sure to check out our other videos or explore our full ASL courses at learnhowtosign.com. We've got lessons for all ages and all levels. And until next time, keep learning how to sign.